Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to save an HDRI out of Photoshop, step by step. If you're looking to get high dynamic range images from Photoshop, this tutorial is for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Once Photoshop is open, you'll either create a new document or open an existing one. To create a new document, go to the top left corner, click File, then New, and adjust your settings as needed. Or if you already have an image you want to work with, just go ahead and open that file instead. Step 2. Now that you're in your file, go up to Image in the top menu. Step 3. Under Image, you'll see Mode. Hover over that, and from the options, select 32 bits channel. This is crucial as HDR images require a higher bit depth, and 32-bit gives you the range you need. Step 4. Next, go to File and select Save As. You'll want to pay attention to the file type here to ensure it's saved in a compatible HDRI format. Step 5. When the Save As Type drop-down appears, you'll choose either Radiance or OpenEXR. Both formats work well for HDR images, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 6. Finally, click Save. Your HDRI is now ready to be used in your projects. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more vids.